Hello students, welcome back to my channel that is Study with Prabin sir. Today we will solve some more previous year question on chapter Ratio and Proportion. These questions are frequently coming on your exams such as CGL, CHSL, MTS, CPO and GD of SSC. So let's get started. Now question number 90. So students, before going to solve this question, one thing I must tell that if you want maximum benefit from this channel, then go through all the videos of this channel. Students, as you know that previously we have solved 89 different types of questions. So today we will solve question number 90. In a library, the ratio of storybooks and other books is 7:2 and there are 1512 storybooks. Due to collection of some more storybooks, the said ratio becomes 15:4. The number of storybooks collected is dash. Here, listen. Actually, today I will solve only by tricks, not the detail method. Now here, listen, it is given that storybooks and other books, the ratio between storybooks and other books is 7:2. Now here it is given that there are 1512 storybooks. That means 7x is equal to 1512. So this implies x is equal to 1512 divided by 7. So that is equal to 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, 7 6 are 42. So the other books is here. Other books is 2x, that is equal to 2 into 216. So that is equal to 432. Now it is given that due to collection of some more storybooks, the said ratio becomes 15:4. Now listen, here we are adding only storybooks. That means the other books remain same. That means in the new ratio, the ratio between storybooks and other books is 7:4. Sorry, 15:4. That means here 4x is 432. That means here 4x is 432. I am writing here as the new ratio is 15:4 and we are adding only the storybooks. That means the other books remains the same. That is 4x is equal to 432. This implies x is equal to 432 divided by 4. So that is equal to 108. Now, so the other books, so the storybooks is, equal to, here storybooks is 15x, here storybooks is 15x. That means that is 15 into 108. So that is equal to 1620. Actually, earlier the storybooks was 1512 and now it is 1620. So the difference is here. So the difference is 1620 minus 1512. So that is equal to 108. That means here option 1 is the right answer. Now next question, that is question number 91. In a 500-meter race, the ratio of speeds of two runners P and Q is 3:5. P has a start of 200 meter. Then the distance between P and Q at the finish of the race is here. I am just now listen here. The distance is 500-meter race. That means here P has a start of 200 meter. That means P will cover a distance of P will cover a distance of, that is 500 minus 200, so that is equal to 300 meter. That means P will have to cover 300 meter and Q have to cover 500 meter. Now the ratio of speeds is 3:5. That means here, suppose the speed of, here it is given that the speed of P is suppose 3 and speed of Q is suppose 5. It is 3 meter per second and it is 5 meter per second. Then the time taken by P is, as you know that time is equal to distance by speed. So time taken by P is equal to, suppose here I am writing TP. Time taken by P is 300 by 3. So that is equal to 100 second. And time taken by Q is equal to 500 divided by 5, so that is equal to 100 second. Again here it is 100 second. That means both will take the same time. That means here option 2 is the right answer. Now next question, that is question number 92. Here the ratio of the radii of two cylinders is 2:3 and the ratio of their heights is 5:3. The ratio of their volumes will be dash. Now suppose I am taking one. Here the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Suppose the other is pi r square h. Now it is given that the ratio of the radii of two cylinders is, suppose one is 2x and other is 3x, and the ratio of their heights is, suppose one is 5y, multiplication, it is multiplied by, and other is 3y, so that is equal to pi 4x square into 5y. Pi into 4x square into 5y is to pi into 9x square into 3y. Here this pi cancels this pi and this x square cancels this x square and this y cancels this y. That means here 4 into 5, that is 20, is to 9 into 3, so that is 27. That means here option 2 is the right answer. So students, if you like this video, then please share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.